Hello dears, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today I am going to tell you that how to speak with confidence in public. To speak with confidence in public, it is the matter of many people where many people hesitate when they speak in front of public. In this video I am going to tell you 15 points. By that 15 points you will be able to speak with confidence in public. But before going on to the video, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and other interesting subjects. How to speak with confidence in public. The first point, preparation and organization. And the second point, positive mental imagery. And the third point, managing nerves. And the fourth point, pausing. There should be pause. You should not speak persistently, consistently. And the fifth point, practice. And the sixth point, confident body language. It's the most important point because if you have a positive standing posture or sitting posture, so it means you are confident. And the seventh point, use your nervous energy. And the eighth point, speak slowly. Don't be too fast when you speak with any person. Try to speak with comfort. And the ninth point, connect with audience from the start. It means try to connect with yourself, your audience. Try to get their attention. And the 10th point, friendly faces. And the 11th point, identify and challenge your excuses. And the 12th point, focus on your message. Whatever is in your mind, whatever is in your heart, you must focus on that. Your concentration ought not to be, your concentration should not be distracted. And the 13th point, create a stage persona humor. And the 14th point, be prepared for mistakes. Mistakes are the part and parcel of life. So don't hesitate to do mistakes. By mistakes you can learn. By mistakes you can get your experience. And the 15th point, that is recognize the positive afterwards. So I hope these 15 points may have helped you. If still you people have any query regarding this topic, you can freely ask in comment section. It will be my pleasure to reply. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.